Today we discuss about measure of central tendency. Now what is central tendency? So central tendency is basically for any group of data is that value which is the most representative of that data set. Now the question is, what is the meaning of most representative? So let us take an example. Suppose we talk about the average weight of students, and let's say there are 20 students in the class, and let's say their weights are different from each other, but however there will be one such value which is representative of all their weights of the student in the class. That value is the central tendency, or simply we can say that around that value the individual weight of students will be clustered. So this is the central tendency. Now what is measure of central tendency? So any measure indicating the center of the data, center of a set of data, is called measure of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. Mean can be defined as sum of all observation divided by their total numbers. This is a formula of mean. Okay, like for example, if you want to find the average weight of 7 students, then first we add this data. The sum of all of these observations are 448, and then divided it by the number of students, that is 7. So we get 64. What does it mean? It means that this 64 indicate the center of that data, or it is the representative weight of these 7 students. Okay, what is median? Median is the middle value of set of data arranged in ascending or descending order. The formula that in case of odd number to find the median is n plus 1 divided by 2 value. Okay, like for example, if we have the odd data, first we arrange it, okay, and then how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 number of observation. N is equals to 7, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2, that is fourth value. So after arrange the data, the fourth value is our median. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 69. 69 is our median. So if number of observation is even, then median can be defined as the average of two center values. Like for example, if in this data set I add some another values, that is 78. So what would be the median of this data set? Then the center average of two center value, that is 69 and 71. Average of 69 and 71, that is 70. So 70 is median. Okay, now what is mode? Mode can be defined as the most frequent value in a set of data is called mode. Okay, like for example, in this data set, what is the most frequently occur value? That is 71. 71 occurs 2 times. Okay, 71 is our mode. Now, if we want to find statistically out of these 3, which one is best measure of central tendency? So, students, the best measure of central tendency is mean. That is mean more than median, more than mode. Why mean is best? It is because it takes into account all observation. That's why. Okay. If there is any question related to today's topic, write on comment section and I will reply to that. Thank you so much for watching.